Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the air filter on a 98 Ford Contour with a 2.5 liter V6 engine. I already did a video on this filter about 7 years ago. It's called the Ford Contour Air Cleaner Hold Down Clamp Replacement. There's clamps all around the box, and there's one supposed to go here, but the mounting broke off on the plastic housing. So I can't put a clip on there any longer. Well, that's just the way it has to be. So it's been a frustrating process changing the filter because there's several clamps around this end where you can't open the clamp and get any clearance. And I discovered there's a way to do it quite easily just on lifting it off of its mounting. There are two plastic studs on the bottom of the housing that fit into rubber grommets, and all you have to do is lift it out. But there's a little snorkel right here that's rubber that you have to clear. That rubber snorkel is right there. Pretty easy to get it out. This is the filter that I'm going to be installing. It's a Fram CA7737. To get clearance for the clamps, just merely lift up on the air filter housing. There you go. Should be able to sneak the filter out of there without removing any of the hoses or cables going in there. Just unsnap these spring clamps. There's another one under there. When you inspect your filter, this would be the dirty side. And sometimes you can't always see the dirt in there. The best thing to do is to shine a light through it. I'll show you the light through a new filter. Here's a new filter. See? A new filter or a clean filter, you should be able to see light coming through it. Just because. Well, you got this out of here, clean all the dirt out of here. And these are the two pegs that fit into those grommets that are in the body of the car. So this is a little tab that broke off on this fastener right there. See, there should be two of these little hooks. That's what it should look like. I'm going to show you what those pegs go into. There's one. There's the other. I think that's the hardest part, is finding the location for the pegs into the grommets. And then wiggle it around so you get the snorkel attached. Oh, there we go. That's on, and it's done. If anyone's junking a contour, I could use the lower air box for the air cleaner. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.